How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to enable dark mode on Snapchat. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite straightforward. Doesn't require any rocket science or whatever. It'll just require you to go to the in-app settings of Snapchat. So this particular feature to change your Snapchat to dark mode actually was added not too long ago. And yeah, I mean, much like with a lot of uh, social platforms and apps, obviously it's almost paramount that it needs to have dark mode. So it caters to all users, people who prefer light and dark. Like if maybe light was hurting your eyes too much, then ideally you'd want to go for dark mode. And it looks a little something like this, as you guys can see. So the option is totally up to you, but I personally like to use dark mode as it strains my eyes less. So anyway, with that said, let's actually get to the steps of video on how to change your Snapchat to dark mode. So what you guys need to do is you want to open your Snapchat, and I should mention that the steps shown here will apply to both Android and iOS. So whether you guys are on Samsung devices or iPhones or whatever, the steps should remain the same. So the thing that you guys need to do is you want to open Snapchat, obviously, and then you want to log into your account. And once you guys find yourselves on the dashboard or the homepage, you want to click on the gear icon in your profile to open the settings. And the gear icon is usually found at the uh, profile icon menu. So where you would want to go is you want to click on your profile icon right here, top left, and this will show you a drop down menu, and that's where you actually get to access the options. So just to recap, profile icon, gear icon, and then click on settings, or rather simply select settings from the profile icon. Now from there, you want to click on app appearance under my account, and it looks something like this. As you guys can see, my account, then there's Snap Store, partner connections, voice scan, and app appearance. So obviously you want to click on this one, and there should be an option to select the always dark mode option. So once you've clicked on that, you're done. You've successfully set your Snapchat to dark mode. And to turn dark mode off, just click on it again, or select always light mode. So it's basically a toggle button. And with that, congratulations, you've successfully changed your Snapchat to dark mode. So if this video helped you guys out, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.